Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody
Here we go.
stand in your way.
We got peppers and onion. We got some sausage, Italian style, sweet, ciabatta bread, and of course, an egg. Mike Foster here. It's another fried egg sandwich. You know, I'm Mike Foster, the fried egg sandwich king. This is one people have been asking about. They said, use peppers. I said, what about sausage? They asked for that, so I'm going to combine them. It's a fried egg, sausage, and pepper sandwich served on ciabatta bread. I can't wait to make it. Let's chop up these peppers and onions. You're just going to take the top off like this. Get these guts out like this. Chop it in half like this. Julienne this pepper like this. All right. See that? Perfect. Then you take this onion. I'm going to chop it in half like this. And I'm going to chop it again like this. Just spread out like that. See them? All right. Meet you at the stove. All right, this is a medium pan. We're going to put some olive oil down. I'm going to grab those onions and peppers. This should take 5-6 minutes. Slow and go with these guys. All right, slow and go. A little pepper on the pepper. You get it? Now here's these sausages. I'm going to put these babies right here to get them started. All right, the rest is patience. We'll see you in a few minutes. All right, it's been a few minutes. How we coming along? These sausages are starting to bubble right there. That's what you want. These, you want these to be limp, a little more limp, a little more translucent. So they're still a little firm, so I say another few minutes. We'll keep checking them. I'll let you know when they're ready, then we'll cook that egg. Okay, you can see I've got this reduced to halfway between low and medium. And these guys are just pushing to the side here, staying warm. I got a fork out for this guy. What I'm going to do with these guys is split them to make sure they cook all the way through. Oh, look at that. Look at those sausages. That's what she said. Okay, now I had to say that. This one the same way. That's the baby right there. Get that cooked. All right, now let's put it right there in the middle. Oh, perfect. And we're gonna put some pepper on that egg. And we're just gonna wait till that egg is ready to flip. Okay, I'm gonna take this sausage out because it is ready. And it'll be easier to flip this egg with this sausage out of here. All right, this egg is ready for a flip. A roux. All right, shut this off. Put that sausage right here. I corded it so it would fit. There's those peppers. They're gonna go right here. Peppers and onions. That's what you guys wanted. And there's that egg. Cooked perfect, I might add. That baby's going right on top of the sausage. Oh God, if that's what she said, if I ever heard it. Flip it, roux. It's falling out. A little press of roux. Let's do the old slice of roux. Oh, the reveal. Look at that. Close-up coming up. There's the close-up of the fried egg, peppers, and sausage sandwich. That thing looks gorgeous. Can't wait for a bite. Oh, yeah. Okay. Ever been to the ballpark? I know in Boston they have sausage and pepper sandwiches, but only I, Foster, will add. This one's falling apart. A fried egg. Let's take a bite. The peppers are falling out there, but it's great. Creaminess from the fried egg, and the peppers have that unique tang. And you need a firm bread like ciabatta. Ah, that's good. That's a sweet babu if I ever saw one. Oh, for more recipes like this, check out Live Life 365 at my YouTube channel. Until next time, keep living life 365. Peace.
Live life 365.
Because I'm cuckoo. Sausage. That is very, very, very decadent. Baba.